Hi and welcome back to Botanic Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this SOCKERBIT box from IKEA into a grow box with growing lights and a van. So what do we need? Well, first of all, we need the SOCKERBIT box with the lid on it. Then we also need growing lights. I purchased these at Amazon with 3 LEDs on 12 volt. And of course we need a van. And I took a van that you can connect to a USB. I'm going to glue the LED lights on the lid with the help of the double-sided tape that I got with the lights. As you can see, the cover is not totally straight. There are raised parts over here. So what I did, I cut 3 pieces of double-sided tape for the center and also smaller pieces for the ends of the LED lights. And in this way, I'm going to place 3 LED lights. I put the longer piece on the lid and the 2 smaller pieces on the LED light. And now we're going to take off this one and this cover and this cover. And now we're going to try to place it as straight as possible and press it over here, and this way it's connected to the lid. Same thing over here with the second LED light. This way you can see we have 3 growing LED lights, 1, 2, 3. In order to place the van on the lid, I'm going to use hot glue. I will put glue on the 4 points. And press it. The nice thing of the SOCKERBIT box is that you can get the cables out without having to destroy the box. So now we have a growing box with 3 growing lights. We can dim them, and there is also a timer on it. We have installed a van connected to a USB cable. This one will be running 24/7 in order to create a very nice airflow within the box. So the only thing that's left is to place your seeds or your plants and let them grow. If you like this video, please don't forget to press like, subscribe and the bell, and you'll get an update every time I upload a new video. Hope to see you next time.